Soil Oxidation Reduction Potentiometer. Operation Demonstration. Instrument Showcase. Short press the power button to turn on the device. ORP calibration. Retrieve the soil ORP electrode, reference electrode, and ORP calibration solution. Take approximately 15 milliliters of ORP calibration solution and place it in a measuring beaker for later use. Remove the soil ORP electrode. Connect the aviation plug to the host unit, matching the number of pins. Remove the reference electrode. Connect the aviation plug to the host unit, matching the number of pins. Remove the electrode protective cap, rinse with pure water, and gently blot the surface of the electrode dry with a paper tissue. Place the reference electrode and the soil ORP electrode into the ORP calibration solution. Click Calibrate to 120 calibration. When testing soil, you must enter 198 in the reference input field and click Reference. pH calibration. Preparation of pH buffer solutions. Prepare a 250 milliliters volumetric flask. Open the 4.0 picohenries buffer powder packet and pour the entire contents into a 250 milliliters volumetric flask. Pour in approximately 100 milliliters of pure water. Shake until the powder dissolves. Continue pouring pure water until it reaches the vicinity of the graduation line. Use a dropper to make up the volume to the calibration mark. Shake to mix. Select a test tube of appropriate capacity. Place the prepared pH buffer solution into a test tube. Tighten the bottle cap and clearly label the name and concentration of the pH buffer solution. Repeat this process to sequentially configure the 3 concentrations of pH buffer solutions. pH calibration. On machine calibration, remove the pH electrode. Connect the aviation plug to the host unit, matching the number of pins. Remove the electrode protective cap, rinse with pure water, and gently blot the surface of the electrode dry with a paper tissue. Retrieve the pH 6.86 buffer solution. Place the electrode into the pH 6.86 buffer solution. After the values have stabilized, click Calibration 6.86 calibration. Take out the pH 4.0 buffer solution. Place the electrode into the pH 4.0 buffer solution. After the values have stabilized, click Calibration for 0.0 calibration. Retrieve the pH 9.18 buffer solution. Place the electrode into the pH 9.18 buffer solution. After the values have stabilized, click Calibration 9.18 Calibration. When calibrating buffers of different concentrations, rinse with pure water, and gently blot the electrode surface dry with a paper tissue. On machine testing. Power on the instrument. Remove the hollow tube and assemble. Use a hollow tube to forcefully drill 3 holes. The distance between the 2 holes is 15–20 centimeters, approximately the length of a single reference electrode. Referring to the aviation plug, install the reference electrode, ORP electrode, and pH electrode in order from left to right. Insert the soil ORP electrode, reference electrode, and pH electrode into the soil. The ORP electrode requires a firm downward push. The electrodes must remain in the soil for at least 30 minutes. You may read the data once the values have stabilized.